Let's see what you can do with Trinkerr. First, feeds. Through Trinkerr feeds, not only can you stay updated with the latest news and trends in the market, but learn so much. Whether you're a beginner who wants to learn trading from scratch or an experienced trader who is looking to up their game by studying strategies of seasoned traders, Trinkerr has got you covered. Next up, stock pages. Get the most detailed insights on any stock you want. Technicals, fundamentals, peer comparison, Trinkerr has everything. When you invest in any stocks or import your existing holdings through Trinkerr, you can track your portfolio performance from the investment section and even compare it with Nifty. Isn't that graph absolutely stunning? Now let's look at the best part of it all. In the positions tab, you can practice FNO without losing a single rupee. That's right, just claim your 10 lakh virtual capital, select from a number of our curated strategies to execute and watch the magic happen. And like everything else on Trinkerr, it's all free. So what are you waiting for? Let's learn, trade, invest.